show. Hope you all are doing great. Today we are going to see how to make this monochord instrument, which is also known as Ektara. It is a one-stringed musical instrument. But before that, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon so that you get notified every time. So let's start. I have an ice cream box which had a small diameter at the bottom and a broader diameter on the top. So I used it upside down. I'll cut the base. Originally, this instrument is made out of coconut shell or gourd with skin as the base. I make a slit in the middle of the base and then I will cut the excess from the cover. And put a string through the hole. I used a matchstick to pull the string from the bottom. Now I'll glue the bottom. Now for the top portion, I will be using this tissue paper roll and a thick paper straw as the peg. So I'm making holes to put the peg through this. This will pull the string from the top. Now for the sides, I am making this newspaper sticks or rolls. Now originally in an Ektara, the sides are made up of bamboo sticks. Ektara is a single string instrument used by the wandering bards, known as Bauls from India, and is plucked with one finger. Many of the Bengali folk music uses this instrument. The background score you're hearing is also using Ektara. Now I'll tie the string to the other side, the peg. Now I'll cover up the base portion with the paper tape. And now I'll color with deep brown. And then with cream color, I'll make some basic designs on it. After drying, I'll mod podge it to seal and give it a shine. And that's it for today. Hope you have liked the video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And also please comment to share your feedback. Thank you so much.